Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to connect Pickyassist with Zapier integration. So to connect your Pickyassist with Zapier integration, it's pretty simple. Go to your applications, locate in the left side corner of your screen. So from there we just have to wait for it to load. And then you can search your apps, and then we have to enter Pickyassist. So let's just search Picky, and there you go. All you have to do is press the connect button right here. I pressed it too fast. So there you go, just log in, select the project that you want, add the account, and there you go. It's just that simple. Now you connected your Pickyassist with your Zapier for integration. It's just that simple again. So connect, and then here you go. As you can see, there's already a test that I have done, so it was added already. So you can check your apps, whatever you have done. So there you go guys. I also integrated OpenAI or ChatGPT or DALL-E with this Zapier, so go check that out too. So as you can see, Pickyassist is already connected. It's just that fast, that quick, in an instant. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.